Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, Undoisile Sibindi has done it again. He has done it again. So he is trending now for being allegedly a scammer again. You guys still remember when he was selling Ama bonnets that were customized? People made orders, paid for orders, but didn't receive. Some of them received later after months of paying. So now he eventually recently ventured into a new business where he is selling hair, about Brazilian hair, frontals and stuff. And it looked like, he has learned his lesson. Ukuthi he must just be a good person and follow business protocol. But Ubani, not Undoisile Sibindi. Ndoisile Sibindi is trending now because there's a girl on TikTok. I will include her video so that you guys can see the video for yourself. But Ugel is complaining that she placed an order and it's been over a month now. She has not received anything. She didn't receive any communication. She didn't receive anything to show ukuthi hayibo phela we are processing your order. We have delays or something. So guys, here's the video. Please watch it and leave a comment in the comment section down below.
Hi guys, this is a cry for help. I don't know if I'm overreacting or what, but I feel like it's long overdue now. I ordered a weave on the 4th of June. Ndoisile. He has a website, and there's no other means of communication that I can use to get to him besides his comment section because I've texted him on TikTok. He hasn't replied. So what I do, I think last week I did commented on his video, and then he said he wanted some order number or something, confirmation and stuff. So I let it slide, and then not too long ago, I think 4 days ago, if I'm not mistaken, I got the order number. I commented on his video, and he did not reply, nothing. So I don't know if I'm overreacting. It's close to 3 weeks now because I ordered on the 4th and today's the 28th of June. No signs of communication. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I once ordered a glue spray from DJ Zinhle. Era by DJ Zinhle. I got it, I think, 4 days or 5 days after I ordered. And mind you, I did not pay for delivery. I think they were running a special. So this time on the Isile's one, I did pay for delivery. I think its delivery it was 150 if I'm not mistaken because the money that I paid it was 650. It's I think it was 100 rand. And I'm also selling perfumes with Perfume Co. You order online. So I order like 2,000 perfume and then I wait. They don't take more than 2 weeks to deliver. And if they do, the maximum days for the delivery to get to you is 7 working days. But if they take more than that, they communicate with you via emails, informing you why they are delaying. Yeah. So this time around, I'm panicking because no means of communication, and I'll attach everything on this video. In the order number, it has everything. Yabo. And the reason why I ordered is because I was going to buy hair. Yabo. So I was like, let me just buy online because we are at Dragon City. I'm gonna use money for transport, so let me just buy online. Plus, even though you see they just advertised I'm a weave, our cable. So I trust him. He's well known. Obviously, he's not gonna sell even buy. So now it's taking long. The weaves are taking long to get to me, and there's no means of communication to me. I don't know if I'm the only one who's experiencing this, but I don't think it's normal to order on the 4th. And if already this week is over, next week it's gonna be the first. Yeah, well, the 1st of July. So meaning it's gonna be the full month. It's taking long. It's like I've ordered from Shein. So I don't know if it's normal or what.
Ndoisile is very business minded. I like that he is business minded. He is always doing something for income, which is a good thing. But now what he is doing is just messing up with the opportunities, messing up with everything that he has worked for because people are just going to start losing trust in him. And guess what, guys? He reached out to the girl after she posted this video. He reached out and said that we are shipping your order, what. And to show that the order was not processed even after a month, the date yokuthi i-shipping iphumile was the date that he reached out on. So it means that all along the order was not processed. Girl was just waiting for nothing, and where she has paid, she paid in full. She's just waiting. So I wonder what was going to happen if she didn't post that video on TikTok to complain. I just wonder, Shem. Hey, good evening.